Hello guys. Most of the questions are comfortable and say they are interested in IT. So how do they start? Acquiring with my first start IT. Or you'll be able to questions where video will make sure exactly where you need to start, how to start. So now your first time I'll show me if I'm a cast HY and you know exactly how you do it here. So when you subscribe, yeah, or more than subscribe to the channel. Now if you want like a video, man. Ebia wo you be a wani computer song and now you be a wankasa wa build the computer da. Ebia what to hard drive be and I say memory card be dia share PCB mu pen and I say we need your phones home we me your phones why when maybe a games na we need your home Xbox and I be say PS4 PS5 the adibia when need your home maybe you are very interested in IT and I say technologies until you want to get into IT and I say maybe what say even IT mu yes is or into per venture which is most of the times na I no cre obenyeska or item and I say one cause out one word doing was say no say we are snake on everything is tech until you want to get into tech and I say bia we adwuma bi na mom na bia adwuma na nkoyi until person o de bia tech ka ho and I say bia certifications or say bia or the IT account certifications ho and fa ho ne adekro and I say the entire person usua IT a good field to get into IT a ade a ebeboa wo IT field no, it offers endless possibilities. So IT more, of course, there is so many things you can do in IT. Yes, I have been in this field for almost 6 years now, and I can say for the fact say I've enjoyed every single bit of it. Until you be a ABR or pay IT, we interested. I say, Utumuya Utanta, Unim the obey. If you also try IT and I say, oh, get into IT and all the culture be home, and I say, maybe this field is a great field and it is great with opportunities. Opportunities will have over IT field that the OPPR with my cost field no son a boozing. And one thing is say IT any rocket science. You don't have to know mathematics. You hear so better mathematics. Say that with him say be a uni maths into be a person get into IT. You don't even have to be a programmer unless maybe all person take that path and not than the programmer. Here IT field no is endless possibilities. Doors vacancy will be bia adwuma opportunities will be bia the option sua no field no doors nti here so be easy and so be easy. Tie that trim say bia woni maths and maths and say about IT mu a enya no correct. You don't even need to be a mathematician. You don't need to be a scientist. Enya rocket science. Just easy and just papa for IT more for the back just say be a IT air day no. That's another issue. You don't have to be expert in anything. We will be winning phone, we will be a winning PC, winning share na. You can still get into IT. And when here say you have to have a prior knowledge to if anything IT before you get into IT. To we will be you create new year farmer, you can get into IT. We will fit any, you can get into IT. Or Pamadie, you can get into IT. And fahone be a food that war, Juma way. And I say be a war. IT does not discriminate. And fahon opa, ye pa opa. Now at the chan, you want to get into IT, you can still get into IT. So ye pa opa and found a food that war. And when he say also we and some be we. There be IT, a job, it doesn't discriminate. And the also thing who say is IT right for you? Or you'll be a enjoy challenge, or you'll be a enjoy solving problems. And I say, well, you don't like solving problems. Be a because maybe a no atiada. And I say, you'll be a do you like to or you'll be a what a person will see new things because technology, sometimes this field, IT field, can be very challenging. Yes, because day in, day out in new technologies, but so you'll be a other pet, so you'll see new things, and I when you'll be a dear, person will see and I when you'll be a the opposite, be out solving new problems and I challenge be a dear. Then I'll tell you point blank say. So when you nipa be say and I say oh enjoy solving problems and I say oh enjoy getting to know new things. IT is not a field for you. I'm not saying say other fields are challenging. Other fields are very challenging, but in IT, they're very, very challenging. Sometimes, so when you will be our problem solving, when you will be our person new things, or IT, because there are new things coming every single day, every single time. We will be familiar with, if I say even Windows keka, should be a certificate Windows by different Windows are basa and you have to keep yourself updated. They be also new things be also at least okay, we need some small knowledge about that thing in case of say if your folder also who be what machine so when you need what type of problem solving and I say oh you will be what type of addition you want to learn new things or so new things then this field is not good for you. But one thing good about this field, this IT field, is say IT will community be everybody is willing to help. What I say, Sabino can say, medical can say I've been in this field for more than 6 years, but there are so many things I mean. There are people on my professionals are on my IT or more IT more years before me or more many. Now so or more crampono. There are still things they don't know. Sana IT in it. But people are willing to help each other. In case of some problem, be only a baby team wow. IT community is by far one of the best community. Me, to my own experience, me mahu. Cause I thought that but many adwuma bi na onim ho hwe and I say oh ho idea kakra. Mo say bia onua bi and our colleague bia onim say oh we or very good with this part. Wait my be boa. Na ma solve problem no. IT with that community. They are always willing to help you. If it said me I'm trying to help you get into IT. Sana IT community in it. A very good community. In case of say we are old out or sometimes, although say it can be challenging, but because of the community, you know, you can get into stuffs. You can get things done. I never also to me say, even yeah, if you're your own IT expert, you know, and you never be brainy. I thought that you don't have to know everything in order to be in IT. So be who be untimi who be even people now more from professionals now may expecting them. There are still things that they don't know. Most of the times we expect, you know, we rely on Google. You Google your questions, you Google your projects. Most of the times, code be bags, he will still go online and search for solutions. And normal, you can't know everything. It's impossible. Perfection there. Unya our IT field BM sanity. I don't think say also who be there. You don't have to know everything, and you cannot know everything. So to the question, where do you start? Starting with IT. There are so many resources out there, but first thing I always say, can say first, you can go to college and get a certificate on that specific field in IT. Now so then what shall I say? Now we. But it also to me when they say even college is not a requirement for IT. Also IT here crash or go school. In my point of view, you know, IT and Kasano are there a core certifications and what you know. Because most of the time now, so me dear Jumama no be dear Juman because if you are problem ya about source will be man BBS in our source of what. You be sa in IT field no, you don't need school or any college. You so go school and sana wash a year IT journey nothing. Here so go training college. So go university. Certifications are available, and this brings me to my point. Your company do home from Comptia. Comptia no, the American say, IT vendors. Create certifications. Create certifications, sir. They will be mount. I bet my wow. What get it into IT. What starting? At least. I do be also win your certifications. Be near near organizers say, will say, if you are a software engineer, or a networking engineer, and I say be a system engineer. We. CompTIA one of the best certifications I also what me consider. Now, more this certification, I'm a friend CompTIA ITF Plus. And I know your CompTIA IT fundamentals certifications. As a certification, we know any idea who be a the general knowledge about IT. It be a database kakra, software security kakra, cloud kakra. No mama will be a networking kakra, systems also kakra. It's all about foundations. A more foundational knowledge kakra. If you be a one person was unim PC mudada, unim phones mudada, unim mudada. Congratulations. Why are they probably be a okra here fencing CompTIA for foundations no. If you are here, obu honuma level no watra. But at least we have to know exactly the idea winning. Also say we winning be and winning. CompTIA ITF Plus certification no. It's not there to intimidate you. It's just there to take the baby test a year of fundamental knowledge you have about IT in general. The links to this certificate ever to description as so you'll be to check it out. No, what I'm talking about in case of so you new IT field and now you are still you are trying to get yeah some more buffalo cramba. And I say if you are all sharing him say also get into IT. This particular certification, one of the fundamental certification you have to consider getting. It is in case of say why ITF certification we and I say so not so prior knowledge can be about IT. The next certification you should consider, and I say the main certification maybe come and say CompTIA A plus. Now CompTIA A plus is by far one of the best certification companies are requested for. Two for IT entry jobs. Ghana how be be requested for CompTIA A plus certifications. It is all called a website which is say indeed.com say now about A plus the shower and I say CompTIA A plus the shower. Obe who say certifications be job listings be about CompTIA A plus. Mostly the basic certifications and most of the companies edging. In the case of CBI, you are looking forward to divert and I say to know more about IT and I say to upgrade yourself in IT. You should consider also consider a CompTIA A plus because CompTIA A plus is by far one of the best certification so far. The certification no link in so beto asiem the links in abeto asie na ma checking out. CompTIA A plus no so enye introduction to system engineering, introduction to maybe normal IT RAM common knowledge about IT. Obeye Linux kakra, obeye bia Windows kakra. To obeye sane mane kakra. IP addressing, subnetting, sane mane. In case of so you're new to IT na dey making I say don't worry. Enya ade ehu bia. Enya very intimidating. Therefore, you can consider learning and I said learning and getting your CompTIA A plus certification. Never walk by to choose all Ghana here. Because I don't think Ghana company be anywhere or work FNC IT CompTIA A plus certification are unconsidered among IT job be. Me sure say video way very helpful to you. So in case of say or sending more videos on IT and I say getting into IT career and kasane whatever. They never be for IT on the back. You can like the video, subscribe to the channel. Now if you so we are now ask share video we am obi a share be now all questions be different questions be about IT and I say any other questions be switch any questions I will be able to drop a comment section I say I'll get back to you. I'll do my best to reply to your comments. And I feel so no. So the first time watching me, HY, and you know exactly how we do it. Thank you for watching this. See you in the next one. Makramo.